Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to optimize Windows 11 for the gaming performance step by step. So if your games lag, stutter or drop the frames, these are some of the quick tweaks that are going to help you unlock smoother gameplay and better FPS without upgrading your PC. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to turn on the game mode on your PC. So here, right click on the taskbar, then click on the option of taskbar settings. You can also click on the option of this start icon here and then come here in the settings of your device. Over here in the left hand side, we have the gaming option. So simply click on the option of gaming. Then in gaming, click on the option of gaming mode. Now over here by default, this option will be turned off. So simply click on this option in order to turn it on. So this is automatically going to optimize your system resources so that your games get priority over background apps, meaning less lag and smoother gameplay. Now in the second step, what you need to do is you need to remain in the settings of your device. Now you need to go to the system. In the system, you are going to see the option of display. So click on the option of display. Now inside display, we have the option of graphics. So when you click on the option of graphics, you just have to select the option of default graphic scheduling, and then you just have to turn on the option of hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. So with the help of this option, it is going to reduce the latency and improves the frame consistency, especially in the GPU heavy games. After following all of these settings, you just have to restart your PC or your laptop, and this is going to basically enable the changes on your device. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.